Hi and welcome back. So in this lecture I'm going to be giving a brief overview on the design portfolio. So the design portfolio is basically samples of your best work that you can show to the potential client. You can use a binder or an iPad, and when you go to the meeting you can let the client to go through and explain as you go along. And it's a very good way of actually showing what you're doing and what services you're providing. Alternatively, you can also use an online portfolio or your own website. I do know that many of you will be just starting, so you won't have that body of work that you need to provide to the client. But in that case, you can use something that we call the dream portfolio. So this is basically just you going through magazines, taking pictures of gardens that you like, features that you like, and you put it into a binder or in an iPad, and you can go to a client and say, this is what I have in mind for your garden for these reasons. So this is actually a very good idea of finding out what clients' likes and dislikes are, what resonates with them, what their taste is, and you're going to learn a lot from their direction. So this is going to help you to start developing a garden that is suitable for the client but also works for you as a designer. You don't want to get too far out of your comfort zone, and also remember the design should be unique for the client and also for their site. So up next we're going to be talking about design worksheet, which is basically a sheet that will help you to put all the elements of the job and all the criteria together, and to be able to price it up so you can give it to the client and they will see how much it will cost and what the criteria is. So I will see you in the next lecture.